here says what? Question 4 is, do you think, you, the students, do you think that reproductive health in our country has improved? Has it? Yes, it has been improved since past 50 years. If yes, mention some areas of improvement. See, 50 years back, we did not have such good infrastructure. Science was not this modern. People were not this modern. So obviously your answer should be yes. If yes, then we need to mention it. Okay, come on. Yes, reproductive health in our country has improved since last 50 years. Some of the area of improvement are, start jotting the points down. Better awareness of sex-related matters, increased number of medically assisted deliveries, and better postnatal care of child and the mother, leading to decreased maternal and infant mortality rates. That is, decline in the death rate of mother and in small infants. Increased number of couples having small family. This is because of the law imposed by the government, hum do hamare do, and government used to award the couples who used to have only one or two children. Fourth point, better detection and cure of STDs, and overall increased medical facilities for all sex related problems. And thus students, by this we come to an end of question number 4.